Dear students, today we are going to learn the two formulas related to spherical mirror, and here the first formula is called mirror formula, which is given by 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is the mirror formula. It can be applicable to both type of mirrors, that is concave mirror as well as convex mirror, and you can keep the objects in whichever position. You can apply this formula for all the conditions. It is especially for spherical mirrors, where f indicates the focal length. F is nothing but the focal length. V indicates the image distance, and U indicates the object distance. Thus, it will indicate what is the relationship between the focal length, the image distance, and the object distance. How the three are related is given by the formula called mirror formula, which is nothing but 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, where f is focal length, v is image distance, and u is object distance. And it is followed by another formula. It is nothing but related to magnification. Magnification, it is nothing but it is the ratio of image height of the image to height of the object. That is, m is equal to, the symbol is m is equal to h dash, where h dash is height of the image, h dash, and divided by h, where h is height of the object. This is h. Okay. And it is also expressed by another formula, where we can use the image distance and object distance. Instead of height, if we don't know, we can use that one. It is given by minus, that you have to remember, minus v by u. So either you can use the height of the image to height of the object, or it is minus of image distance divided by object distance. So this both formulas used to find the magnification. Magnification is nothing but what is the size of the image. You will come to know by getting the m value. You come to say the nature of the size of the image, whether image is smaller or bigger or same as object. So there are three conditions. When m value is greater than 1, m value smaller than 1, and m value is equal to 1. Three conditions you may get the m value. Here m is greater than 1, it is enlarged image. And when m value, the magnification value, is less than 1, it is a diminished image. And when it is equal to 1, that is height of the object and height of the image, they are one and the same, so its value become 1. It is nothing but it is equal size of the object, equal size, that is size of the object. That it indicates. Okay. And one more thing is, here if you get m value negative, it is real image, and if m value is positive, it is virtual image. So m value negative, if you get the answer m value negative, it is a real image, and m value is positive, it is virtual image. Because you should remember this, in 4 mark questions they will usually give the problem related to the mirror, spherical mirrors. There we have to find either the height of the image or distance of the image, and you have to explain the nature of the image. You have to write its characteristics. So you should know these things. Okay, whether it is and one more thing is, always when you get real image, its properties, it is inverted image, and if you get virtual image, it is always erect. Okay, so these are the things you have to bear in mind, and to solve some problems given in the exercise. They have given some examples, worked out examples, that you go through it at free time. I will work out the exercise problem. Okay, because that they are not worked out, you won't get the answer yourself easily. Many steps are there, so we'll take the exercise problem. So exercise of light lesson, reflection and refraction, it is given in the page number 96. So it is exercise we are doing exercise page number 96. So if you have the textbook, open it. I will read the exercise and we will do it. So the related to mirror, we have to problems number 12, 13, 14 and 15. 4 problems are there related to mirror. Okay. So I will take now 12th problem. 12th problem, we'll read out. If you have the textbook, children, please open it and observe the problem. I will read out the problem, we'll work out. Okay. So 12th problem, an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position as well as nature of the image. So the mirror we know now, it is given convex mirror. So we know that in convex mirror, the image is always formed behind, and nature of the image is you know that it is a virtual image, and always will get the diminished image, that you can write, but image distance we have to find out using the mirror formula. So we will work out what are the values are given in the question. We will write it in the sentence. So an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. At a distance of 10 centimeter, object is placed. That is nothing but object distance. Okay. So object distance. Object distance is given. The symbol for object distance is u. Okay, it is equal to how much? An object is placed 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. And as said yesterday, always object is placed to our left side facing the mirror, front part of the mirror, and it is always negative you have to take. So it is minus 10. Then they have given the focal length. Here I will write which mirror, it is help you. The mirror is a convex mirror. If you know which type of mirror, it will help while writing the property of the image. Then what is given in the 12th problem? Focal length of the mirror is given. Focal length. So write down focal length. Symbol for focal length is F is equal to. Here this also you have to remember, they won't give whether it is plus or minus. For convex mirror it is always plus, because focal length is always back side, right side of, if the mirror is like this way, the back side of the convex mirror, that F point will come. So focal length is plus, right side is plus. So you have to take plus, and how much value is given? It is 15 centimeter. So F is equal to 15 centimeter. So you, I know F, I know what I can find out. Therefore, the image distance. The image distance. Symbol is a V. V is equal to how much? So we have to use the mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Now substitute the value, f value I know, so 1 by 15 is equal to v value I don't know, write as it is, plus sign 1 by u value. Now u is how much? It is minus 10. So here already one sign is there, so I will use the bracket minus 10. Now if you open the bracket here I will get, right, as it is, plus and minus, if you multiply it will come minus only, so 1 by 10. Now I want this value, so I have to bring the minus 1 by 10 to the other side of the equal sign, and you know the rule, minus will change into plus. So already I have 1 by 15 here on the left hand side. So minus 1 by 10, if I will bring, it will change into plus. So it is plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by v. Now it is fraction, addition of fraction. You know the method. What is the method? You have to find a common denominator. So LCM of 15 and 10 is how much? 30. If you find out, it will be 30. So change the denominator 15 into, multiply by some number to make it 30. So 15 to is a 30 plus 10 into what is equal to 30, children? 10 into 3. So here keep as it is 1 by v. Okay. Now it is 2 by 30 plus 3 by 30 is equal to 1 by v. Now common denominator 30, 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 by v. 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. It is 5 by 30 is equal to 1 by v. 5 one time, 5 6. So 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by v. So v is equal to, write the reciprocal. V is equal to, in v place I have 6. So v by 1 is equal to 6 by 1 reciprocal, or simply you can write v is equal to 6. So the image distance is 6 centimeter. It is the image will form 6 centimeter away from the mirror, convex mirror. But to write the nature, you should know about the magnification. So I will find the magnification of the image. Magnification. Symbol is small letter m. So that we will find out. Okay. What is the formula, children? M is equal to, I cannot use h dash by h because height I don't know, image or object. So I will use the second formula. It is minus v by u. So m is equal to, now minus v value is how much? I just now I got it is 6 divided by u. U is how much? It is minus 10. U is minus 10. So minus 10 I have to take. Minus divided by minus. It is same rule like minus into minus. You will get a plus. So it is 6 divided by 10. 6 it won't divide. 0.66 times. So 0.6 I got. M is equal to. It is 0.6 is smaller than 1. It is smaller than 1. So what you can write? It is a diminished image at 6 centimeter away from the object mirror you will get, and the m value is positive I got. What is positive sign indicates the image is virtual. So it is a erect image because it is virtual, and it is a diminished image formed 6 centimeter away from the mirror. So magnification is 0.6 here. Okay. So last you can write the virtual image, right? Since m is smaller than 1, m is smaller than 1, the image is since m is smaller than 1, image is diminished, and m is positive value. So image is virtual. virtual, and diminished virtual image. So what you can write? It is a diminished virtual image. Virtual image means image is erect. Therefore, image is erect. Erect formed 6 centimeter away from the mirror. So you have to like in this manner, okay, to write the property or position. They require this much to write. So this is usually 4-mark question they will give. I hope you understood the problem. Now see the 13th problem. What is the 13th problem? Magnification produced by a plane mirror is +1. What does this mean? Plus value indicates the image is virtual, and 1 number indicates it is same size as the image size is same as the object. You know, in plane mirror, what is the our height or our size, same height, we will get erect image, virtual image backside the plane mirror. So image is same height as the object, and virtual image, so erect image will form behind the plane mirror. So that is the meaning of 13th problem. Now 14th is again convex mirror. So it is one problem already I did. If time is there, we will see. Now 15th problem related to concave mirror. So we will take that one. Okay. So I will read out the question. You see the textbook what they are given. An object of size 7.0 is 7 centimeter. Here height of the object is given, children, is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be obtained? And you have to find the size and nature of the image. Here height is given, height of the object is given, that extra thing, and they are given not directly the image distance. They are framed the question like you have to find the distance of the screen. Now you know that, or anyone know that, anyone knows that the image is always formed on, if it is real image, it is always formed on the screen, right? So we have to find the image distance. Instead they are given, they ask to find the screen distance. So we have to find, we here height of the object is given, so we can find height of the image also. And its property we will write later by finding the magnification. Okay. So what is given in the question, we'll write one by one. 15th one, which mirror now? For your convenience to understand the problem, we will write it. It is a concave mirror now. Concave mirror, 15th problem. So what are the values are given? Height of the object. Height of the object is given. H is equal to, symbol is H, height of the object is 7.0 is same as 7, so 7 centimeter. Then it is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. It is a convex mirror, it is placed in front 27 centimeter. Its height is 7 centimeter. 27 centimeter from the pole. So this is the position of this one. This is there given. So object distance is given. Object distance is given. Symbol for object distance is U, and it is always negative. It is minus 27 centimeter. Then what is other values they are given? The concave mirror having the focal length 18 centimeter. So focal length is given. Focal length is given. The symbol for focal length is a small letter f, and I told already f is always negative for the concave mirror and positive for the convex mirror. It is the mirror is concave mirror, so f value is negative, so it is minus 18 centimeter you have to mention. Now the screen distance is nothing but the image distance. The screen distance, which is nothing but the image distance, we have to find. Therefore, distance and symbol is V only we have to take. This we have to find. So again use the mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Now what are the values? H value I don't want now, I want these values. F is given, it is 1 by minus 18 is equal to V value I don't know, write V plus 1 by U value so much, minus 27. So I will use the bracket minus 27, then I will open the bracket. So it is nothing but 1 by minus 18 is equal to 1 by V. If you open the bracket, it is minus 1 by 27. Now I want this value only, so bring minus this value to this side. You bring this side, so minus will change into plus. Already I have 1 by minus 18, it will change into plus 1 by 27 is equal to 1 by V. Okay. Now this fraction simplification we have to do. What is the LCM of? So find LCM of 18 and 27. How much it is? It is, if you do that, you will come to know it is 54. Now 18 is equal to what is equal to 54? 3 18s are 18 3s are 54 and 27 2s are 54. So multiply this numerator and denominator by the same number. Here it is by 3 and here it is by 2. So what I will write now? 1 minus, it is minus 1 by 18 into 3 plus 1 by 27 into 2 is equal to 1 by V. So it is minus 1 by 3 by 54 plus 2 ones are 2 by 54 is equal to 1 by V. Now what is the common denominator? 54 I will write. So numerator, this is minus 3 and this is plus 2. And you know that while adding or subtracting, whatever operation we are doing, if they have different signs, the two digits, now what you have to do is you have to find always the difference. 3 and 2, the difference is 1, and bigger number, 3 is bigger number, it's a symbol you have to see and that symbol will write. Okay, then denominator is same, 54, it is 1 by V. And if you want V, write the reciprocal. So V is nothing but minus 54. So what is the image distance we got? It is minus 54 centimeter. The minus answer indicates it is the image formed in front left side of the concave mirror, because it's real image, and you know in concave mirror a real image is formed in front, we can obtain on the screen. So it is in front, left side it will come of the mirror at a distance of 54 centimeter. Okay. Now to find the height, you have to find height of the image, because height of the object is given, so we have to find height of the image. So to do that, we will do height of the, therefore height of the image. Or before we can write the magnification, M. Magnification, M will find out. The M value is, because we don't know, if you know the magnification, we can find the height of this one, better I will write magnification, no problem. Then height, magnification of magnification m is equal to, so it is we don't know h dash, we don't know, so I will use this formula, minus v by u. This I both value I know. Okay, so m is equal to minus v value also minus, so minus 54 divided by u value is how much? Minus 27. So it is equal to minus minus into plus, it is minus 27. 27 ones are 27 twos are. So plus minus, it is minus 2 by 1 is 2. So magnification is minus 2. And if you ignore the sign, its value is 2. So it is greater than 1. So you will get a enlarged image. Now I want height of the image. That also they required height of the image. H dash I want. What is H dash? So magnification m is given by H dash by h. Now I know the magnification is minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to h dash, I don't know, h dash. What is height here? Height of the object is 7. So if you bring this side, it is minus 2. Divide will change into minus 2 into 7 is equal to h dash. 7 2s are 14, but minus sign, so it is minus 14 centimeter. Now seeing these two, you can write the nature or the size of the image. So what we will got now, the height of the image is 14 centimeter. Ignore the negative sign first. You see the 14 centimeter. Or if you see the magnification, it is 2. So it is enlarged image and the height of the image is 14. Object is 7 centimeter, but height is now 14. So it is magnified, enlarged image. And the minus sign indicates, I said m value is minus, it indicates it is the real image. And here also the height is minus, indicates it is below the y axis, like this way, below the y axis, below the x axis, like this way it is. So down the y axis 0, here origin down means it is negative value, that is why negative we got. It is a real, so real means inverted image, that is why negative value it is. Enlarged real image, inverted image of height 14 centimeter, formed 54 centimeter away from this one. So at 54 centimeter away, you have to keep the screen. So what you have to write, the nature of the image, therefore you have to write m is minus, m value is minus 2, that is image is enlarged, negative sign indicates image is real, image is real, hence inverted, formed how much distance? 54 centimeter away from a mirror, and height is height of image is 14 centimeter. Okay, so that is the property of the image. So one problem left out, that is 14th problem, Will you try, children, at home today? What is the 14th problem? I will read out. An object 5.6 5.0, that is 5 centimeter. So u is minus 5 centimeter in length. Length is given. Length of the object h is given. Sorry, children, h is 5 centimeter. That is height of the object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. So u is equal to minus 20 centimeter, h is equal to 5 centimeter in front of the convex mirror now. Okay, and radius of curvature. That is one thing. Radius of curvature are. So 15th problem, briefly I will indicate it, you can try it. It is convex mirror. 14th problem, it is a convex mirror. Height is given, height of the object is given. It is how much? 5 centimeter and placed how much? At a distance of 20 centimeter. So u is minus 20 centimeter. Now radius of curvature r is given. It is how much? Radius of curvature of the mirror is 30 centimeter. Now using this we can find the focal length f. Focal length is always r by 2. So it is 30 by 2, which is nothing but 15 centimeter. Now what you have to find? The position of image. V is equal to how much we have to find, and its size. H dash also we have to find, M you have to find out, and H dash you have to find out. Which formula now here? And here one thing is there, the focal length in case of convex mirror is always a positive. No problem, it is positive. So we have to use 1 by f is equal to 1 by b plus 1 by u. So 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by b plus 1 by 5, 1 by 15 here minus 1 by b is equal to minus 1 by 5, bring it 1 by 15 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by b. Common denominator is 15. 3 1 by 15 plus 3 by 15 is equal to 1 by b, or it is 1 plus 3 by 15 is equal to 1 by b, or 4 by 15 is equal to 1 by b, or b is equal to 15 by 4. Or you can change into decimal form. 4 3s are 12, 3 remaining 30, 4 7s are 28, 2 remaining 20 is equal to V. It is 3.75 centimeter. So V is 3.75 centimeter plus we got. So it is right side behind the mirror we will get. Then magnification you can find. Image distance is known, object distance is known. Use these two values, 3.75 divided by 20. Okay, you do it. Then find the height. I hope you can try, children, at home this problem. Okay, and meanwhile their exercise also, 2 problems are given. The worked out problem, that also you go through it and you will get the answer, I hope. Okay. Thank you.